Welcome to the Codex paradigm shift. We are exploring the shift to an integrated, AI-assisted development environment that deeply understands code context and actively generates suggestions for seamless integration. We are moving beyond the isolated chat window to a singular, persistent code work environment powered by GPT 5.5. This continuous context means zero reset and uninterrupted workflow across devices. The migration drivers highlight key advantages. The new platform offers 4x fewer output tokens, reads the entire codebase natively for superior accuracy, enables native UI image generation, and utilizes a persistent memory stack. Calibrating the engine involves setting the model default to GPT 5.5 for maximum logic and reasoning. We can also set permissions to extra high for autonomous execution and toggle the optimization slider to balance speed against token usage. Establish direct custom instructions for the AI assistant. This includes setting the instruction protocol, such as maintaining a direct, casual tone and configuring the environment, including activating an AI companion pet for personalization. Architecting parallel project buckets is the strategy to categorize your digital workspace into isolated buckets. You can assign parallel agents to different folders simultaneously to handle independent tasks. The seamless skill migration protocol is a two-step process. Step 1. Export legacy skills to a local folder, including implementation overviews. Step 2. Ingest the folder, allowing the new platform to automatically duplicate the skill library natively. Engineering persistent API capabilities involves commanding the system to create a custom skill using an API key. This transitions a one-time script into a permanent, reusable module within the skill creator scope, testable conversationally. Autonomous desktop execution is enabled by installing the computer use plugin. This allows the agent to interface directly with external desktop applications. The system executes commands sequentially inside target applications without interrupting human work. The UI integration pipeline has 3 phases. Phase 1. Design uses external UI generators. Phase 2. Sync connects the project to a central version control repository. Phase 3. Import clones the repository, pulling the functional UI into the native workspace. Native GPT 2.0 image integration allows you to command the system to add a specifically stylized image with exact dimensions directly into the project structure. The model autonomously generates the asset and writes the code to embed it. The multi-brain architecture strategy suggests using different cognitive engines for complex tasks. You can launch specialized secondary models directly from the terminal, such as a design optimization model, to run concurrently with the main repository logic. Deploying background automations include standalone runs, such as scheduling daily briefs, and threaded wake-ups, which set precise in-conversation reminders to trigger proactive prompts exactly where the context lives. The 3-layer memory stack consists of Layer 1, Global Agent.md for personalization and constraints. Layer 2, Conversation Memory for continuous context tracking. Layer 3, Chronicle Screen Intelligence, which is continuous OCR screen capture with a 6-hour auto-delete protocol. The optimal deployment strategy is phased. Phase 1, the base setup uses standard access and 4x token efficiency. Phase 2, the multi-brain allowance adds secondary subscriptions for specialized models. Phase 3, the pro escalation upgrades to maximum tiers when scaling projects or running continuous deployment.